Hello YouTube, Copper King Recycling, and today on the table I've got this ridiculous power strip. This came from a medical e-waste warehouse giveaway, but here's the case that it came in. This is the outer casing. This one's a little bit, well, it has two less plugs than the other one I took apart, but this thing right here is 57.5 inches long. Good golly. That is steel. And then this thing, so this is the power strip that was inside of the case. I don't know why they couldn't just mount this to the wall. This is metal. So I don't know what they're doing. It's riveted together here. It's some aluminum rivets that were quite difficult to get apart. I have a chisel, so I just took apart the one side. No sense taking apart both sides. That goes in the recycling bin. So then here's the inside. Oh yeah, let's free it up first. Here's my freeing tool. This tool is good for getting things loose. I think it's loose now. Now it's loose. Okay. So now I've done that easy part. We need to free these wires up. Oh, they're already ready. Some of them are. Oh, really? Just played that game. That one and that one. I think that's. Oh. And there's copper and silver right there. Go ahead and put that right now. Oh, and get this. Oh, can you type that in the trash? Boom, go away. I got the plug here. Let's just go ahead and snip that off. That's just junk. Cool. Oh, it's not. There's that. Wire goes right there for later. Oh, this piece wants to come off, I think. There. That's garbage. There's more of the inside. Then you get all these cool little pieces here. And if you take a pair of pliers, you can get this stuff here very easily. It's cold out here today. Things don't want to work. Solve it. Yep. You take this piece, put it over there. That goes down there. And then get all these little pieces. Start just collecting them up. Little piles here. That one didn't have a little extra piece there. There's that. Ooh, I've already freed up some of the silver here. I'll just get my freeing tool to gently coax this out of here. And I'll go like this. Jeez, plastic they use. Good golly. Let's try crunching it. Yeah, that works. Piece of my problem right there. Yeah. Look at that. There, you go in there. This one. Oh, ridiculous little. Now, wait a second. The other one. This other one had aluminum wires. This one has copper. Weird. see if we can confirm my theory. Nope. That's aluminum also. Never mind. I know I saw some copper wire on here. There it is. This is copper. That's aluminum. Copper, copper, copper. Okay. Well, you gotta check them, kids. Copper. Okie dokie. Oh, this one's different altogether. The other one was just 3 plugs like this. Huh. Oh, let's see if we can. Oh, we're going to play that game. That's funny. This one. Yeah. That is a copper wire. Okay. Maybe we can do this faster. Magneto. Mm-hmm. Yeah, that's what I thought. Okay. Put that there. I forget how these work, but if you go like this, yeah, definitely wear eye protection. Usually also have a face shield on, but no one can hear me when I do that. Oops. Okay. Pretty straightforward. Does make a little bit of a mess. And then if you go like this, so sometimes it wants to argue. And you just tell it, no, I'm not going to argue. Mm-hmm. Okay. Plastic 0. Brick hammer 1. Copper and copper. Okay. Just to see if we can do that again. Let's go like this. And go like this. And it just gently falls apart. Gently, I said. And go like this. Oh, must argue. Huh. And that's why you wear eye protection. Garbage, 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 garbage. Wants to argue. So no arguing. And I already know from experience. But we're going to do something first. Oh, I'm not done making a mess. Sorry. Thought we were done here. Like this. Like this. And like this. No, there's just sometimes they just fall apart. Sometimes they do not. And only one screw holding it all together under here. Really with that? see anything. Okay. I may be tripping. Let's just see if we can get one of these out. Oh. Garbage, garbage. Okay. Cool. I see silver. That wants to come off. That wants to come off. Ooh, hello. Something to grab it. So many goodies. Where do you come out? Come here. Whoa. Take these off now. Okay, let's clean this up. Wow. Okay, clean up first. Don't throw it in the black this. And then we will take, not you, take all this crap and go right into the landfill bucket so we can bury it. Our dirty little secret. The world. Okay, so let me get my little stash from the other one. Got some silver contacts. That was from the wire, or the plug. There's brass. Oh my gosh. Do you have all of them? Okay. Make sure it doesn't have little dots on it. So wire. Copper. And then there was more copper. Piece there. So dirty and clean. More copper. Go. Mine now. That is aluminum. We're going to take this piece, just like so. Brass. Brush. I'm not gonna worry about that little piece on there. Come off. Take that off. There's a little dot. Nothing. 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 There's some dot. Let's see if I can break this one off. Oh wait, why don't I just cut it off? Dot. dot, brass. Oh yeah, this piece. Just put it in there. And you are okay. And this is just brass. There's another dot. Oh yeah. Some dirty brass from the other one. And this piece, I forgot. I don't know what this is. Plastic. Basura. That. Don't worry about that. These plugs had a lot of. I've had these sitting around forever too. Okay. Let's get two of them going here and just grab a hold of it like so. There we go. Make sure there's no dots on that. Because there's one right here. And that is a little piece of cap there. I'll fiddle fart with this later. Get that little piece off there. But for now, basically I'm done with this part. Where is my, oh, found him. Dot. Said dot. Okay. There we go. These are not nice. Oh, what about you on there? Come on. There we go. Just take that off. Like so. Recycle. Nice. Forgot about this guy. Well, the hell. Oh, uh-oh. And that's how you lose pieces. I did that last night. And I may find that someday. I've already checked these out to be brass. They're glued in there. That's fun. Gross. So I may have lost. Wait. I think I just lost the plug. Okay. Right. So we're going to go ahead and just cut this open. And get these little pieces of silver over here. There. And then these just come. I don't remember how to pry these out. A little bit of dirty brass. I think that's right. Dirty brass. Boom. Some there. Ah. Here's one of my dots. Voila. Oops. He loses it. So, I did get a fair amount of stuff out of just a couple plugs. Just move over some of this stuff. Have a little look-see. Got a bunch of junk. But this little cool. The other one didn't have a piece in it. That's cool. I can use this leg. Nope. So let's just go ahead and tear that. Just little brass pieces. Almost 2.5 ounces. That's cool. That's pretty much, that is all the brass. Oops, what am I doing here? Put you over there. And we're going to go ahead. This is half the wire. I still have the whole of the plugs to do. It's 3.9 ounces, almost 4 ounces. So between the two, should be almost ½ pound of copper there, and just that. I got all these buttons to clean up. There's some dirty brass. There's some more dirty brass. I took the other one, pulled it off, but it's so cold out here, I just basically broke them off right here. So I'm going to save this one for some plug soup. And I got some nice solid curl wire and some dirty pieces. I'll strip these off and clean this up, and then call it a day with a little over ½ pound of copper out of this project and a couple ounces of some brass. Oh yeah, let's go ahead and just put that inside. The other brush, put it in there. That's personal. Well, just filling it. Oh, looks like there's a piece of copper in there. Anywho, that's that. Thanks for watching. Copper King out.